In this video, I'll go ahead and show you how you can create a WordPress website in less than 20 minutes with absolutely zero coding required. And the first thing I'll have you do is to open up DTech4U, which is our website, dtech4u.com, just so we're able to use the resources that we're going to be using throughout this video. And at this point, you're probably wondering, why do you need a website? Well, websites are extremely versatile and they'll let you start a blog, build a personal brand which can help your resume, and also even build a passive income stream, which is building an online business. You are probably wondering how you're going to be able to build an online website in less than 20 minutes. Well, our answer is WordPress. WordPress is a CMS system that allows you to build websites easily in less than 20 minutes. Build your website, we will need just three things. We will need a domain URL, which is basically a .com website, so youtube.com, twitter.com, web hosting, and also the WordPress platform. Before we get started, I have some good news. All we will be needing today is the web hosting, and everything will come along for free. Starting now, we're going to go ahead and check for your domain name. So you're just going to go ahead and type in the name of your website, and let's see if it comes up. Alright, and as you can see, this domain name is actually available, and I'll go ahead and show you guys an example when it's not available. So we're going to go ahead and type in our domain name just to show you what will happen if you type in a domain name that has already been taken. So it'll give you an error message letting you know that the name has been taken. So we're just going to go ahead and close that tab and use the domain name that has been taken. So you're going to go in here, fill up your information. Now, when it comes to the package information, you want to go ahead and pick the longest package because it just allows you to make a longer term commitment to yourself about starting your website. But usually what happens is the shorter the time gap you pick, the more expensive it's going to be. So if you actually pick a longer duration, it's going to give you more bang for your buck. And when it comes to the package extras, I usually recommend to just go ahead and take the domain privacy protection because that protects your private information. So you could go ahead and unselect the rest of them, which will actually bring your monthly payments down. But just to go ahead and show you guys what happens when you leave the domain privacy protection on, you're going to see once you click the more information tab, it's going to be able to hide your information. That way you're not giving away your information to the public. For the payment information tab, what you need to do is put in your credit card and then check out. And just to actually let you know, there are other methods of payment. So if you don't have a credit card and you have a PayPal account, you could go ahead and actually click that button and access and make a payment through PayPal. And you guys just need to go ahead and fill up your information, hit the agree, and go ahead and hit submit, and you will be on the next page. And before we continue, I just wanted to let you guys know why you should choose Bluehost instead of choosing other hosting platforms. So first off, they are the #1 recommended website by WordPress themselves. So obviously they are properly integrated with WordPress. Bluehost offers competitive pricing and also the one-click install, which actually allows you to set up your website and set up all the information you need for your website with just one click of a button. We're just going to go ahead and get into step 5, which is logging into your Bluehost account that you just created. If you have any questions up until this point, go ahead and leave a comment below, and I'll go ahead and try and answer and respond to as many questions as I can in the next couple days, months, or years here. Okay, now we're back into the Bluehost platform, and what we want to go ahead and do is log into WordPress. So once we're logged into WordPress, it's going to actually load the back end of the WordPress page and give us the dashboard, which is what we see on here. So first things first, we actually want to go ahead and go into our appearance. And once we go into our appearance, we're going to be able to pick out a theme that we're going to use and build our store or build our website and make it look more professional. Once you have found a theme that you like, go ahead and click the live preview just so you can pull up a live test and see how that looks on a website and see if that is something you're actually indeed interested in. So right now we selected the BizLite theme, which is a pretty clean theme, and we suggest that you use it. You could go ahead and try the bulk, which is actually what we use for our website, but on the BizLite theme, it is easier to create and simpler to kind of manage. On the left hand side of the website, you're going to notice this is where you can go ahead and set up your information, build your logo. If you click on site identity, it'll actually take you to exactly where we are right now and help you pick out a logo, which you can then make your logo for your page, right? If you look on top of the page, you see how clean that logo looks. Go ahead, and we actually recommend that you go to Fiverr and have someone make your logo for you, and just go ahead and scroll. You could change the information, change the feel of your website by just adjusting some things on the left there. One of the things that makes WordPress so easy to use is how easy it is to locate things in the settings. So obviously, if you look to the left, you're going to notice it says our services, and you see the service section. It says about section, and you see the about section, right, which is a bit lower. And if you look, it says featured section, it says blog options, and testimonial session. And if you look to the right, the testimonial session is also going to be on the lower part, which is say your name, CEO. So it's very easy to go ahead and edit this by just looking on the left. Now I want to show you guys how to create a page. So it could be an about us page or a contact us page. Whatever page you're trying to create, this is how you create a page. As you can see, you can either choose to preview this post or publish this post, which we will not be doing today because this is a test post and doesn't need to go up on the website. We can also go ahead and create new posts by simply clicking the add new button. And once we click that add new button, we're able to actually go ahead and make a post similar to creating a page, but obviously posts are more of stories, whereas pages are more locations on your website. On your website, there are things called blocks, which actually allow you either put in a text, allow you either put in a message, put in a quotation, a picture, a video, and there's so many things you can put out. On here, there's a layout element. You can go ahead and put a spacer. This basically just allows you put in all the critical features of every single page. So you can put in text block, you can put in an image block, you can put in a video block, an audio block, a cover image, or a file. This basically just allows you edit your information and put in the type of media you want on your page. Congratulations, you just went ahead and created your first post and your website has been set up. Obviously, you're going to go ahead and add more features and more details into your page, but that is it. That is totally it. You have gone ahead and created your website in full and everything has been set up. And by the way, guys, if you do have any questions, don't hesitate to leave some questions in the comment section in the tutorial, and I'll go ahead and reply to as many questions and give you guys as many answers as I can.